Hi, I'm Matt Crowley, CEO of Cintel here at OFC 2026. Delighted to tell you about the company. So Cintel is a company founded in Grenoble, France by founder Sylvain Nezo, who was developed this technology at CA Leti. Cintel has developed two types of IP, both design and process in silicon photonics. Right here is the process IP we developed. This is unique to Cintel. We call it the Scintil Heterogeneous Integrated Photonics. What's great about this process is it actually starts with standard silicon photonics. This is something that we do with Tower Semiconductor, our manufacturing partner, very high volume. We then take this wafer, and the next steps are proprietary to Cintel. We flip it upside down. We call this backside on box. We expose the bonding layer, and then we actually bond indium phosphide epitaxy coupons to the silicon photonics wafer. And this is going to be turned into lasers. This is a generic platform where you can bond many different types of materials to make many different types of active components. Right now, we're focused on external laser source. Very precise manufacturing control due to the advanced semiconductor fab it's manufactured in. And of course, at the end, we get a beautiful die that contains 8, 16, or more lasers, depending on your needs. In addition to the laser, it's going to contain the MUX, the photodiodes, wavelength references, and all sorts of other silicon photonics components that you can use to develop your external light source. Now, looking over here, we actually have a few samples. So we have built these units at Tower Semiconductor. This is an 8-wavelength solution. And what we see here is that we have very precise channel spacing, and we have all 8 wavelengths very flat with the right power mode. This is what you need to do something like this is what you need to basically make a DWDM system in your AI data center. So as AI data centers need more power, need more data and lower power, and need to have better latency and better performance and larger scale-up networks with bigger memory, coherent memory domains, we're going to need more bandwidth. And so this type of laser is becoming high demand as people move from copper scale-up networks to optical. This is an 8-wavelength solution. We also have 16, which is even more advanced. And so I think we're got the solutions that the industry is going to need in the coming years. So very excited about this. Right now, we've started our early production with Tower Semiconductor. We believe this is going to be deployed in high volume in data centers in 2028. We're working lots of great partners and investors to get this to market. And so the team's super excited. The energy at OFC is off the charts as everybody is realizing that, the time for copper is ending. It's going to be silicon photonics in the AI data center. You can't scale any other way. And even the biggest companies out there are saying that. So great validation of the company's vision from the founding. And this is our evaluation kit, which we announced recently. This is going to be shipping in Q2 to select customers and allow them to start doing development work to make sure that their DWDM network is working perfectly with this laser source. From there, we're going to ship small modules, which is the form factor that's going to be a front pluggable in the data center, replaceable. We also have a lot of unique features because we do have a control ASIC that has all the laser drivers, all of the ADCs and things that will monitor the photodiodes, as well as an ARM core to analyze all the data coming off of this laser source. So we can do interesting things like built-in self-test, laser telemetry, and predictive maintenance. So it's a complete system in a small module enabled by this silicon photonics technology.